Hello everyone, welcome to physics class. Already last class we are learned the topic types of motion.
In this session, we are going to learn the topic equation of motions. Newton studied the motion of an object and gave the three set of equations. The first one is velocity is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration into time. And the second equation, distance is equal to initial velocity into time plus of acceleration into square of time. So second equation. And the third one is the square of velocity is equal to square of initial velocity plus 2 acceleration into distance. So this is the third equations. U means initial velocity, V means final velocity, A means acceleration, T means time, and S means distance. These equations related to the displacement, velocity, acceleration and time of an object under motion. This graph shows the change in velocity and time for an uniform accelerated object. The object started with the point D and then the initial velocity O and D is the initial velocity. Its velocity keeping increasing after time and reach the point B. First one, initial velocity of the object U. Initial velocity of the object U. This one is equal to OD is equal to EA. The initial velocity is equal to OD is equal to EA. OD and is equal to EA. And next one, the final velocity of object V. The final velocity of object V is equal to OC and EB. OC and then EB. And next one, time is equal to OE is equal to DA. Time is equal to OE and then DA. Newton represented there are three equations of motions. Now see the first equation of motions. Now take the equation acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. Acceleration A is equal to change in velocity V minus U divided by time T. Acceleration is equal to V denoted OC and U denoted OD. Now write the equation OC minus OD and divide by time is denoted the OE. Now write the OE. And the next one OC minus OD. OC minus OD is equal to remaining DC. So write the equation A. Acceleration A is equal to DC divided by OE denoted time T. And the next one DC is equal to AB. DC is equal to AB. Now apply this value in this equation. So write the equation acceleration is equal to AB divided by time T. The time T is go to another side. His change in multiplication. The division go to another side. His change in multiplications. So write this equation acceleration into time is equal to AB. Write the graphical method EB is equal to EA plus AB. Write the equation EB is equal to EA plus AB. EB is denoted final velocity V. V is equal to and then EA. EA is denoted initial velocity U. So is equal to U plus AB. Apply the AB value. AB is equal to A into T. So write the equation V is equal to U plus A T. So this is the first equation of motion. Velocity v is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration into time. V is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion. Next one, second equation of motions. The distance S is equal to area of quadrangle DOEB. Area of quadrangle DOEB. This is the quadrangle. So distance S is equal to area of the quadrangle. This quadrangle is equal to area of rectangle and then area of triangle. Area of rectangle DOEA and then area of triangle DAB. So write this equation. S is equal to area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Okay. Then the distance S is equal to the area of rectangle DOEA plus area of triangle DAB. Already known this rectangle equation. Rectangle is equal to L into B. So write this equation. A E into O E. L into B. Plus and then area of triangle DAB. The area of triangle of into L into B. So write this equation of into A B into D A. The distance S is equal to AE denoted the U and then T is equal to T. So apply this value. S is equal to U into T plus of into AB. AB already you know this AB value. AB is equal to AT. So apply the value. AT into DA. DA is equal to time T. So apply this value time T. So write this value, simplify this value. S is equal to UT plus of A T into T square. So the second equation is distance S is equal to initial velocity U time T plus of acceleration into square of time. S is equal to UT plus of AT square. This is the second equation of motion. Now see the third equation of motions. The distance S is equal to area of trapezium. This area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of length parallel side. Sum of length parallel side and then distance between the parallel side. Distance between the parallel side. Write this equation. S is equal to sum of length OD is equal to EB. So half into OD plus BE. The distance between the parallel side OE. The distance between the parallel side OE. Apply this value. S is equal to of OD. OD is denoted initial velocity U and then BE. BE is denoted final velocity V. So apply this value. U plus V into OE is denoted time T. So OE is equal to time T. You know the acceleration equation. A is equal to change in velocity divided by time. Exchange this value A and T. Write this equation, time equation. T is equal to v minus u divided by a. Apply this time value in first equation. Write this equation. S is equal to half into u plus v into the time equation is v minus u divided by a. This a is go to another side. Again write this equation. S is equal to half 2a into u plus v into v minus u. Rewrite this equation. S is equal to half 1 by 2a into v plus u into v minus u. Multiply this two value. V into v square, v into u minus v u, u into v, uv and u into minus u square. Write this equation. S is equal to 1 by 2a into v square minus vu plus uv minus u square. Cancel this two value minus vu plus uv, and this 2a is go to another side, is change in multiplication value. So write this value. 2a s is equal to remaining value v square minus u square, v square minus u square. We want the equation only v square, so rewrite this equation. V square is equal to 2as value is go to another side, is change in additions. So plus u square. Rewrite this equation. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. So this is the third equation of motion. Velocity, square of velocity is equal to initial velocity, square of initial velocity plus 2 into acceleration into distance s. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. So this is the third equation of motion. The object free falling in space. The object, the down free falling in space. The acceleration a is replaced the gravitational g. The acceleration a is replaced the gravitational g. G is the acceleration of due to gravity. So see the three equation of motion. The first one, v is equal to u plus a t. The u initial velocity is 0. The first initial stage u is equal to 0 and replace the acceleration value g. Now write this equation. V is equal to g into t. So the first equation. And see the second equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. The initial velocity u is 0 and replace the acceleration value a is equal to g. Now write this equation. S is equal to initial velocity 0. So 0 into t 0. So this total value is cancelled. And the next remaining value of g into t square. This is the second equation. Now see the third equation. v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Initial velocity u is 0 and write the acceleration value. Replace this value gravitational g. Now write this equation. V square is equal to, this value is 0, so this value is cancelled. Next one 2. Replace the acceleration value g and distance s. Now write the distance value h. The s is replaced h. So v square is equal to 2gh. This is the third equation. Suppose the object vertically upward. Suppose the object is moving vertically upward, then the acceleration value g is equal to minus g. Suppose the object vertically moving downward, the gravitational is plus g.
Okay, students, I hope you all are understood this equation of motion. Prepare well. Thank you.